Hey guys, what is up? Today we'll show you how to send an Amazon gift card via email. Do you want to send an Amazon gift card via email? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so first thing you need to do is open the Amazon app on your device. Then you'd want to tap on your profile on the bottom. In your profile page, scroll down until you see gift card balance. You will need to tap on manage. On the next screen, which is manage, tap on redeem another gift card option. Scroll down a bit on the next page and tap on purchase a gift card. Afterwards, scroll down and select the type of gift card and then the amount you'd want to buy. On the bottom, you can fill in the email to which you'd want to send the gift card to. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.